Hello everyone. Once again, a warm welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Shabnam Gurung. Today I am here with MCQs of job costing. So before we proceed with the MCQ of job costing, let us understand the concept of job costing. So job costing is that form of specific order costing which applies where work is undertaken to customer's special requirement. Under job costing, each job can be separately identified. The basic difference between contract costing and job costing is that job costing is for shorter duration of time and contract costing is for longer duration of time. So let's start the MCQs of job costing. Specific order costing which applies where work is undertaken to customer's special requirement. A. Job, B. Batch, C. Process, D. Standard. And the answer is job costing, because under job costing the job is undertaken according to the customer's special requirement. It's one of the feature of job costing. Second one is job costing is used in which industry? Options are chemical manufacturing, printing press, brick making and cement production, and the answer is job costing is used in industry and the answer is printing press. If you see these three options, chemical manufacturing, brick making and cement production, if you see these all are the manufacturing industry, and under this the final output has to process through number of processes. So job costing is applied in the printing press where the work is undertaken by customer special requirement and each job is different from another. In job costing system, costs are accumulated by specific job, by kind of material used, by department on monthly basis, and the correct answer is by kind of material used, because every job differ from another and each and every job require different kind of material to be used. So the correct answer is by kind of material. Next is which is not a branch of specific order costing? A. Job costing, B. Batch costing, C. Contract costing and D. Operating costing, and the answer is option D. Operating costing. Why? Because if you see the definition of operating costings are applied in those industry or those organization unit who wants to calculate the cost of each and every operation. So it's not depends upon the specific order of a particular customers. The correct answer is operating costing. Next is which method of costing applies where costs are collected and accumulated for each work order? A. Standard costing, B. Marginal costing, C. Job costing and process costing, and the correct answer is option C. Job costing, because each job is different, each job is having their own individual requirement, so we have to calculate the cost and accumulate the cost of each and every job. Which method of costing is used where the costing of operation is done? So the answer service costing, contract costing, unit costing and operation costing, and the correct answer is operation costing, because we have to calculate the cost of each and every operation. So industry, those who want to do so, they adopt the operation costing. In job costing, each job is the A. Cost center, B. Cost unit, C. Profit unit, D. None of the above, and the correct answer is B. Cost unit, because each job is a cost unit. They are not a center, they are not a profit making unit, so each job is cost unit. Next is how job costing helps the management for similar type of job. It's provide quotation, provide estimated cost, provide estimated profit or loss. D, for formulation of plans and policies. So the answer is job costing helps the management for similar type of work. It's provide quotations to the management. Each job becomes a separate cost unit, cost center, product or batch, and the correct answer is each job becomes a separate cost center, because we have to calculate the cost of each and every job. For fixing price with job costing helps the management. A, market price, B, cost price, C, profit, D, selling price. So job costing helps the management for fixing of selling price. A job order cost sheet normally does not contain which of the following: direct material, direct labor, actual factory overhead, and selling price. And the correct answer is job order cost sheet doesn't undertakes or contain actual factory overhead incurred by the production unit. Next is job costing is suitable for specific order concern, means the concern who are undertaking the order as per customer's requirement. B, mass production concern. C, manufacturing concern. D, all concern. And the correct answer is option A, specific order concern, because in job costing everything is done according to the special order by the customers. What is the nature of setup cost? Variable cost, fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, or normal cost? And the answer is fixed cost. Setting up cost is a nature of fixed cost. Job costing can be used in industries using which methods of costing? Standard costing, marginal costing, budgetary costing, or process costing. So the correct answer for this, job costing can be used in industry using standard costing. We all are aware what is standard costing. Standard costing means when you already predetermined everything in advance. You predetermine the cost, you predetermine the profit that incurred. So this job costing helps. Also we can use in industry those who are adopting standard costing method. Which method of costing is used where number of components are separately manufactured and then assembled into a final product? Process costing, service costing, contract costing, or multiple costing? So the correct answer is multiple costing. The reason behind this is when there is separate manufacturing of each and every component, we have to calculate the cost of each and every component that we have manufactured and then assemble into final product. So multiple costing method is applicable in those industries which engage in manufacturing of separate component and then assembling it into a final product. Which of this statement is not true about job costing? Production always against customer's order. Cost of each job ascertained separately. Job is equal or longer duration compared to contract, and job work is labor intensive. And the answer is which is not true. Not true. Please remember which is not true. And the answer is answer C. Job is of equal or longer duration compared to contract account. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला है the basic difference between job costing and contract costing is duration, and job costing job whatever you undertake is not equal or longer than the contract. So this statement is 100% false. Next is, on completion of job, a job completion report is sent to whom? Cost accounting department, storekeeper, customer, or production department? And the answer is, we send the report to the cost accounting department. Second, in job costing, the basic document to be accumulated ascertain the cost of each order is purchase order, B, requisition sheet, C, invoice, and D, job cost sheet. And the answer is the job cost sheet, which is required to prepare the cost of each and every job or each and every order. Thank you for patience listening, and all the best for your examination. If you like this video, please hit the like button.